we are very proud to be here and to see young people learning their language like us in Brittany. We have the same way to learn as you in same schools in Brittany. That's not the same language, so if you want to learn a bit more about our language, we're going to give you a book here with a CD to hear the language, and it's a little. It's a book for everybody here. I think it can.
Thank you.
Be,
Nina will have to take a photograph of us.
and here is to show you pictures and painting, and it's translated in French and in Japanese. Okay, we are open.
So we can learn a little bit of Japanese as well.
Yes. If you want to learn Breton, here is a dictionary in French and Breton.
Very good.
Breton French.
So we have to know French.
And I don't know if you know what is our flag. Which color is the flag from Brittany? Yes?
Blue.
No.
White and blue.
White, but another. It's not a color. Yes?
Red.
No.
Yellow.
I gave you an indice, a clue. It's not a color. Yes?
Black.
It's not a color.
So, this is the flag, the Brittany flag. You can put one in your classroom if you want. We have 3 flags. Okay? And to have a taste of our country, some big biscuits.
You're much raisins and all that. If you want to set that over and we'll take it. We'll do a photograph and
Sorry.